Hello, I'm Crafty Patti, and you're back for more Kinusaiga fabric art. That's wonderful. I hope you're loving it as much as I am because I just can't stop. That's why I'm publishing all these beautiful videos for you. Now, on all these videos, I've got them all in my playlist. So there's a lot of instruction, tips and tricks in all of those videos. And I really don't think I've got any more tricks up my sleeve. I don't think so. So on this particular video, I'm just going to calmly go through the process, probably with no talking, and I don't usually do my videos that way, but I've already told you everything I can possibly tell you. So if there's any other tricks that you've got up your sleeve, by all means, place them in the comments. And I will again leave all the supplies and links to everything you need to do this beautiful form of silk painting. But I am actually using satin fabric for this particular one because now I've got leftovers from doing my magnolia. So come along for the ride and enjoy it. Thank you for watching once again. Thank you for all your support, and let's start doing some wonderful fabric art. Well, what do you think? You still got lots of tips and tricks in that video, don't you think, for Kinusaiga? I would love to know if you prefer me talking through a slower video, or did you like this video where I was at a faster pace? You still got to see lots of details on how I do the intricate little sections, and then just laid back, you got to watch with a little bit of music in the background. So let me know in the comments which one you preferred. That would really help me out a lot. Now for this piece, as you can see, I did a little bit of experimenting with a much bolder abstract background. It creates a stained glass effect that gives the orchids a completely different look. So let me know what you think. If you prefer a softer background, like in my magnolia, or this one. There's so many different styles you can do. It's just whatever your preference is. I love to do art in a set of 3. I just think it looks better on a wall with not 2 but 3. It just shows them off that much better. Have I chosen another flower? Not quite yet. That will be a surprise, so you'll have to keep watching. So until then, bye-bye. We'll see you next time.